Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the part design of universal coupling. So this is how universal coupling construction will be look like. It consists of a fork, pin, center block, pin and collar. Okay, and it consists of two items. So fork consists of two items, pin consists of two, center block one and collar two. So we will discuss slowly how to construct these parts of the universal coupling. So coming to dimensions of this universal coupling. So these are the dimensions. So by seeing this dimension, we are going to design it. So first we'll start with the collar. So as it consists of a revolving element, so we will make use of the shaft command. Okay. First I'm going to select a perpendicular plane, that is xy or zx plane. Okay, yz or zx plane. Okay, I'm selecting the yz plane and click on the sketch. So as per these dimensions, I'm going to sketch like this. So pick on the profile option, pick the center point, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. To make the use of the shaft option, we should draw a sectional, that is half of the portion of this collar. Okay, as we section it, you will be looking like this. So now I am going to give the dimension for this. So just zoom it and go to constraint. Now give this length, okay, and this vertical distance, next this horizontal. Okay, now as per the dimension shown here, now I'm going to change it. So bottom is the diameter of 50, so it should be 25, as these are in millimeters. Okay, once check whether your units are in millimeters or not. To check the dimensions, go to tools, click on options. Okay, where the length is showing in centimeters, I'm going into millimeters and click on OK. So the units are changed to millimeters. Now as per the dimensions shown here, change the dimensions in the sketch. So the length is, this diameter is 50. Now I'm changing it to 25. It should be radius, so I'm changing it to 25. Next, and this distance I'm giving it as some 10. Next, total distance from bottom to top, this total distance is 180. So this is length of 180. Okay. Next, this diameter is diameter 30. So it should be half. So I'm giving it as some 15. Enter. Okay. So this is how we are drawn the sketch. Now after completion of the sketch, click on exit workbench. Now we need to revolve this sketch by using the shaft option. So go to shaft, select this sketch. So this is our sketch. Now we need to specify the axis. The axis should be in Z axis. So go to selection, right click on Z axis and click on OK. So this is how we have drawn the collar. Okay, if you want, you can give the name for it. Go to properties, go to product, and the instant name is collar. Okay, and if you want to change the color of this part, you can go to graphics. Okay, to change the color of this part, go to part body, right click, go to properties. Okay, go to graphics. I'm giving the color as this color and click on OK. So the color is changed to your specified color. Okay, so here also you can give the part name. Okay, so right click, go to properties, go to feature properties and give the name as color and click on OK. So this is how this color name is changed. Now I'm going to save this file. So go to file, go to save as. So first I'm going to create a separate folder, that is universal coupling. Okay, in this I'm going to save this file, save the particular parts of the universal coupling. So I'm giving the name as collar and the save as type is cat part and click on save. Okay, so this is how your collar part is saved. So as you see here, there is some hole in the collar. So we need to provide a hole pocket on this face at a distance of 12 from the top. So for that, select a perpendicular plane, that is exact plane, and click on sketch. Now draw a circle in the vertical axis and the distance should be 12 from the top to the center point. The distance should be 12 and this radius of the circle is shown in the other parts. Okay, so if you zoom it, you are seeing other parts here. So diameter of this small circle is 5. Same, it should be inserted here and it should be inserted here also. So the diameter is 5. So the radius of this circle or the diameter of this circle is 5. Okay, so this is how we are drawn the circle. Now exit from the workbench. It should be like a hole in the part. So further click on pocket, select the circle and it should be removed from this object. So give the distances and it should be on either sides. Further use the option as mirror extend and click on OK. Okay, so this is how a hole is created on the top. So again we are going to save this file. So for that, go to file, click on save, so that the operation which are done now, that will be saved in the collar file of the cat part. Okay, so this is how collar part is designed. Now we are going to discuss other part, pin and the collar. So this is the pin, this is the collar. We are giving a name for this as collar. Now I am going to change the file and give the name as pin, enter. So before that I am going to delete this. So right click and delete. Okay, now I'm going to give the file name as pin, enter and click on save. Okay, so next we are going to draw another figure. Okay, just save this file. Now open the other file, click on new and go to part and click on save. A new part is open. Now I'm giving name here as collar. Okay, now I'm going to design this. So for the way to draw a circle, so select any plane and click on sketch. Now draw a circle, okay, of diameter, it should be of diameter 50. Okay, now after completion of this drawing, now exit from the workbench. Now we need to give a pad option of height 12. So go to pad and give the length as 12, enter. Okay, so I should be solid, it should be in. We need to change the settings here. So in bottom in view toolbar there are some options to change this. So click on shading with edges. So this is how the object is shown, and there is a hole inside and this hole diameter is shown bottom, that is it should be of diameter 30. Now I am going to change this sketch also. So go to sketch. Now I'm going to draw another circle and it should be of diameter 30. Diameter 30, enter. Now exit from the workbench. So automatically the hole is created here, and from here we are going to see a small hole of diameter 5 and that can be drawn at the perpendicular view. So select the perpendicular view, go to sketch, draw a circle and it should be of diameter 5. and it should be exactly at middle. So take the distances from center point to bottom. As total distance is 12, it should be half, that is 6. So it is exactly at middle. Now we are drawn. Next, exit from the workbench. So it should be removed from this part. So for that, use the pocket option and give the length sum up to 65, and it should be removed on other side, so that use the option as mirror and click on OK. So this is how this part is drawn. Now I'm going to save this file. So go to file, click on save as, and give the name as color and click on save. So this is how the part is saved. If you want, you can give the color for this part. So go to part body, properties, graphics, and giving some color and click on OK. Now click on save to save this part. Okay, so this is how we are drawn the two parts, that is pin and the collar. So again we are going to draw other part, that is tapered pin. So further go to file, click on new, click the list of type as part and click on OK, and give the part name as tapered pin. So tapered pin and click on OK. So new part file is open. As it is of a length 60 and diameter is 5. So select the perpendicular plane, that is exact plane, and go to sketch. Now draw a small circle of diameter 5. Okay, so diameter should be 5, enter, and exit from the workbench, and the total distance is 60. So go to pad and give the distance as 60, enter. Okay, and it should be in shadow with edges. Now we are drawn this. Okay, now I'm going to save this file. Okay, so before that I'm giving color for this part body. So select the part body, right click, go to properties, click the color, choose any color and click on OK. The color is assigned. Now I'm going to save this file. The file save as, and the name is tapered pin, and click on save. The part is saved here. Okay, so we have drawn 3 parts of the universal coupling, and remaining parts we will discuss in the further classes. Thank you.